Introducing Sentry Mode. Sentry Mode is a revolutionary feature that allows you to create and play back multiple livestream viewpoints from your drone, giving you the ultimate advantage for law enforcement, public safety, and emergency responders.
To access this feature, go to Valerius button that is situated at the bottom of the screen. Select Features to access Sentry Mode and add a new mission. To enter Capturing Mode, press Add View, move the camera around using the left stick and control the zoom with the right. Once you're set, long press the Capture button and the viewpoint is saved successfully. Mission Start. This will bring you to the overall view where you can see the details of each view, such as the direction from the drone, the camera use, the zoom level, and the time hold, which later can be edited. You are able to preview and rearrange the views by clicking the eye icons beside the name. Once ready, click on the Start Mission. You can select the number of times the mission repeats and also decide whether or not to return the mission to the original view. During the playback, the mission can be paused at any moment to allow users to closely monitor the situation whenever they need to take a closer look. What you see behind me is a tethering system. With a tethering system, you can loop the drone for a long period of time and technically forever. You can now import and export each mission as a file, providing a seamless experience for storing and sharing with other users. Sentry Mode can be used for various scenarios, such as big events, crowd control, traffic management, or emergency response. If you are monitoring a massive concert, you can capture the views of the stage, the audience, the entrance, and even the exit, and loop them to get a comprehensive view of the whole situation.
Claim your 2-month free trial with your local dealers. Just visit our website at valerius.com.